എനിക്ക് കത്തര കൊടുക്കും കത്തര കൊണ്ടുപോകും.
No board, no nothing. Restaurant. I'm gonna tell the restaurant manager that you should be keeping a big board that your restaurant is here. Hi, baby.
Hey, 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 hey.
Thank you for gentlemen. Gentlemen. Reservation. First soup antana. Kerpette. Dim sum dumplings. Country food. Country food no. Plus 86. 86 ఎంత అంత అనుకోలేదా? మెనీ కూడా. First soup super. Just after roti and but me okay. Main and China. Cheese na. Ramen main cosa. Fried rice. Chicken fried rice. Because ramen. ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇದೆಂತ ರೈಸ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇದ್ದಂಡು ಓಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಪಲಾವ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದು ಅವಾಗ ಕುಂಟೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಪಲಾವ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಡ ನಿನ್ನ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿದ್ಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ದಿನ ಒಳ್ಳೆದುಂಟಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ವಾದಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡಿ ಚಾದು ವೆಜ್ಜ ವೆಜ್ಜ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು ಖುಷಿ ಇಂಥವ ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಪುಡಿನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರ ಎಂತ ಮುಗಿದ ಈಗಲ್ಲ ಮುಜಿಕಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನನಗೆ ಚಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಮನ್ ತಿಂತೀವಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಫುಲ್ ಮೊಮೋಸಲ್ಲ ಮೊಮೋಸಲ್ಲ ರಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬರಬೇಕು? ಇದು ನೋಡು, ರಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೆ. ರಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್.
Thank you so much.
ಪಿರಾಮಿಸ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಬಿಸ್ಕೋಫಾ ಲೌಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ,
Super ಉಂಟಾ?
ಚೀಸಿ ಪಿರಾಮಿಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಾಫಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ದು ಊಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಂತಿತ್ತು, ನಿಂತಿದ್ದು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಪಾಂಡ, ಕುಂಫು ಪಾಂಡ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ
It's raining, people. It's raining. ನೀವೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೇ ಗತಿ. She's gonna drop me, guys. Drop me safe. Finally land. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye guys. Follow on play. Oh my god, I got tired. Okay, that was an exhausting day. Spent well. Okay, let me show you guys what they gifted me. First of all, this is what Nibi gifted me. It's a diary. Let me open it. Oh, it's so soft. Okay, this is a notebook, so that I can write down things which I need to remember. It also has a pen on the side, as you can see. This is the pen. Nice. Thank you, Nivi. I know she's watching this video. Okay, this is from Nivi, and from Appi I got this flamingo keychain. Let me show you. It's a flamingo keychain. It's cute. I don't know if it. Oh, it does something. It lights up. Happy. If you're watching this, I know she would have. I don't know if she knew this, but it does make noises like the bird noise. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I loved it. Thank you, Happy. And then we also took like each of us took a memorable keychain for each one of us, and this was mine. Because I'm a foodie, it's a burger and french fries. It's so cute. I liked it very much. I love keychains like these a lot. I was planning to buy a notebook, and I got it today. I'm happy. It was a very nice day today. I'm gonna miss them. But yeah, we will surely meet again, and there will surely be another vlog. Fun one. Let's see. So yeah, that was it for today. It was a very nice day. Now what's the time? Okay, so it's 6:33 p.m. right now. So I think I'm gonna just end the vlog here. Yeah, it was a very nice day. It was a memorable day. I loved it so much with them. They're like my best friends, and I just love them so much. I do have many other best friends, but yeah, these ones are my school, no, college best friends. So yeah, I think now I'm gonna just take rest and I'm gonna watch Netflix for some time, take a shower, have dinner, and then sleep. That's all. So I'm gonna just end the vlog here. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.
Thank you.